There's a new login feature for Selling Lane, and that is that you can now sign in with Google. So if you had a Google email address and you want to sign in with Google, you can do it here. Or if you are new to Selling Lane, you can register by signing in with Google. Let's do the first one, which is just logging in. You click on here, and it will bring up a window for you to type in your Google email address. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you put in your password. And after a couple seconds, you are automatically logged in. Now, the same process would apply for registration. If you did not have an existing account with us and you tried to use that email address, it would take you to the registration form and continue the process. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day.